In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively move or resize a diagram, change its colors, edit the text within, and even rearrange its structure. Let's dive in and explore these handy tips to ensure your diagrams are as clear and impactful as possible. First things first, to move or resize your diagram, you'll need to select it. This is typically done by clicking on the diagram, at which point you should notice a bounding box appear around the entire selection. This box is your cue that the diagram is ready to be manipulated. If resizing is what you're after, you can easily do this by dragging one of the handles you see on the bounding box. This allows you to adjust the size to perfectly fit your needs. On the other hand, if you're looking to move the entire diagram, all you need to do is click and hold down on the group of shapes, then drag it to wherever you wish on your canvas. Now let's talk about changing the colors of your diagram. With the diagram still selected, this task is made simple. You have the option to change either the fill or the border color of your shapes, allowing you to customize the look according to your preference. For instance, if you want to alter the border color, you would select the entire diagram, click on the border color option, and then choose the shade that suits your design best. Meanwhile, if text color is your focus, select just the text boxes. You can do this by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each individual text box that you wish to change. Then, use the text color feature to bring your text to life with color. Editing text within the diagram is straightforward. Simply click inside any shape or text box where the text resides, and an insertion point will appear. This is your signal that it's time to type. Make any text adjustments you need directly inside these boxes. Additionally, if you need to rearrange or restructure the diagram, that's very manageable too. To move a shape, click on the particular shape you wish to move, then drag it to its new location. For adjusting connections such as lines or arrows between shapes, it's as easy as clicking on a line to select it. Then, drag the endpoint handle to a different anchor on another box if the connection needs to change. To add a new box or shape to your diagram, one convenient method is to copy an existing shape. This is done with the classic copy and paste shortcuts, Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Once you've created that new copy, position it as desired, and be sure to connect it properly with the rest of the diagram for a seamless integration. Following these straightforward steps will help you maintain full control over your diagrams, enhancing not only their visual impact, but also their communication effectiveness. Thank you for watching, and happy diagramming.